Meaning of henchman.
henchman,
Henchman.
henchman,
Henchman. The term henchman refers to a loyal supporter or follower of a powerful person, typically one who is involved in criminal or illicit activities. A henchman is often portrayed as being violent and willing to do whatever it takes to achieve their leader's goals. The image of a henchman is often associated with that of a muscle-bound goon or a shady figure who operates in the shadows. The word henchman can have a negative connotation due to its association with criminal activities and violence. However, in some contexts, it can also refer to a trusted aide or assistant who supports a leader in a legitimate or honorable way.